Hi, how are you? Do you feel nice that you're on me? Damn pimple. Like, oh, I want to say something. Why am I doing this to myself? Oh, I curled my hair real good. I curled my hair real good. I actually did. Oh my days. You know what? I should start a salon. That's what. Okay, take 5, take 10. I'm back. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and today I am here to teach you guys how to do the smoky eye. I'm here to teach you guys how to smoke. Today I am here to teach you guys how to do a smoky eye. And yeah, I have not done a smoky eye on my channel, I don't think ever. So I want to teach you guys how to do a really simple, easy, breezy, smoky eye. Dang. And if I'm looking down, sorry guys, I'm just looking into my mirror to see if I'm on check. You know, I have to be on check every time. I have my base all laid out, my face is done, brows are done, I have not yet primed my eyes, and I have powder here in case of fallout. Actually, I think I should add more powder. I think, one second. So today I am going to be using the JACLYN Heel palette, and I am making use of it because it has like a really nice black right here, as you can see. I really like the black color right here, and that's what we'll be using to achieve the smoky eye today. So first off, to prime my eyes, I am going to go in with my Kiko Makeup Milano. My Kiko eye base primer. So it is their eye base primer, and I really like it because it's a bit sticky and my eye doesn't crease throughout the day, and it's just hands down for me. I just love the primer. Basically, that's what I should have just said. Now I'm just taking a primer brush and I'm just going to place the primer all over my lid. Oh, and I just like to dab and swipe. I don't know what this motion is called, but basically that's what I like to do. Swipe, dab, swipe. So after primer, the next thing I do is set my brow bone, and this will help like easy blending because I'm not here to struggle. Taking the easy road out, please. Thank you. Next, I'm going to take the black shade called Abyss. Oh, really? That name is so befitting for black because Abyss kind of has to do with almost everything evil. I don't know, it's just me. Anyway, I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I do really hope it's black enough because I see that for smoky eye, people always tend to put a base. Girl, I'm too lazy for that. And I'm pressing it in. Oh, that's black. That's a black shadow. See? You don't need to go through the stress in life. Sometimes we take the easy road out, and the easy road is good for us. I'm just dabbing and really pressing that color to the shape I want. We'll blend it later. I'm about to get smoked out. Oh! You can see I'm not putting too. My chest. Oh my god, it's not going anywhere. Next up, we're going to be taking the Morphe M507. It's a very tiny brush. Can you see that? Very tiny, so precise. And if you watch my video where I taught how to blend eyeshadow, which will pop up somewhere right now, I don't know, here. Oh, I think it's here. Oh yeah, which will pop up right here, right now. You will see how I use these brushes also to achieve blending, not just smoky eyes, but other eye looks. So that's it. After this, go and watch that. Or better still, click, then come back. You know what? I just confused you guys. Just anyone you want to do. I'm just gonna go back in with that black shade, and I'm gonna start like blending the shadow out and buffing out the edges. See, I'm getting the nice blowout. I'm just blending my life to filth. Now, the different kind of smoky eyes. Some people want like a brown transition. Some people want like an orange transition. Some people like a red on top. It depends what transition you want for yours. But I know I want, I think, a brown orange transition. So next, I'm going to go in with the shade Mocha, and I am going to use that to just blend my crease some more. Oh, go Mocha, go Mocha. Oh, lovely. Everything might be looking a mess now, but don't worry. Just place your Mocha where you want it to be. Okay? Okay. Next I'm going to take is the Morphe M524. Now I'm just going to take it clean, and I'm going to use that to just blend these two shades together. blend, blend, blend. It's clean right now. I love it because it will help me diffuse how I want, but at the same time it is very like what's the word, very fluffy, very, I don't know, it just does the blending. Okay, man, I don't know, man. It's just gonna help me blend better. But now going in with creamsicle, I'm just going to give a nice gradient to my smoky eye. And I'm just going in and blending those both shades together. Now I'm going back in with the Morphe B15 and I'm just going to intensify my black. That's all we're doing, mama. That's all. I promise. We're just intensifying the black in places we feel the black is lacking love. Yes. Okay, now I'm just gonna sweep off my bake so we can move on to the lower lash line. Okay? Which I think is a bad idea, but still. Next, I'm going to go in with my trusted Mabrouk pencil. I'm just going to put that in my waterline. Oh, Jesus. This is black. Yeah, okay. I just feel like my friends target me when I'm filming and decide to just disturb my existence. That's it. Now, I'm just going to go back in with Abyss and I'm going to smoke out my lash line. So now I'm just going to go back in with my Morphe M507 brush and take the shades I used to like transition the smoky goodness and just use that to smoke out my lower lash line. Going back in with Mocha. I'm gonna go in with Enlight and I'm just going to use that to brighten up my inner corner. I don't want too much of it, just want a little bit. Because that place can look pretty dark, so you want to just brighten it a bit. And now I'm just going to go back to my brush and just blend it. Because I don't want it to just, you know, stand out there. That's Raz. Next, I'm going to take my favorite mascara right now, which is the Zara mascara. And I'm just going to use that on my top lash and my lower lash as well. Hey, hi! So look at her cheeks, so chubby. Show them now. Now she's twerking. Moving on, the lashes we're going to be using today are the Glam Addict lashes. This is her new collection. This is the style Goddess, cause I'm a goddess. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, these lashes are giving me life. I'm just gonna speed through my contour. I really like to look bronze. Yes. I'm just gonna take some blush. Today I'm using my Sleek blush. Very nice peachy blushes. Anytime I do smoky eye, I want like a nice peach blush on my cheeks. So next up, I'm going to use the Tails Glow. Funny thing is, while I was filming this video, she came in and she gave me this highlighter, and I'm like, why not use the highlighter? Okay, I'll be using the shade Queen Bee, which is this shade. I'm just gonna use it. Doesn't have a mirror. Why? So pretty on the brow bone. So for my lips today, I am going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Dainty. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl lip liner in Cappuccino. I'm just going to use that to outline my lips so I can start looking like a mad woman. And for the last step, we're going to seal it all with my Niban Beauty Seal It Makeup Fixing Spray. Oh, Jesus, stop. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned how to smoke, and you know by smoke I obviously mean do the smoky eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like short detailed videos like this, please let me know in the comment down below. I plan to do like a whole lot more short videos like this so that we don't, you know, in Nigeria data is it's a big deal. I'm trying to keep the videos short and interesting for you guys. You see, I'm listening. Some people said it was too long, so now I'm trying to make them short. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yes, or I will judge you. There's no shame. I will judge. Also, do not forget to click the notification bell so you guys know every time I upload, because sometimes you guys don't know if I'm uploaded or not. So I just want you guys to click that and always get ready for some lituation. So while we're at it, I'm just going to leave some videos here for you guys to watch and enjoy, and also subscribe. That's it. It's right here. Click it. Yes, click it. Bye.